Good morning to all dear student. In previous video I have explained the exercise of limits of the mind. Today I will discuss the question answer of this lesson, exercise A6, which I am going to explain you here. Exercise A6, answer the following question. Number 1, why did Eklavya's family live away from Hastinapur? Why did Eklavya's family live away from Hastinapur? And the answer is Eklavya's family lived away from Hastinapur because they belonged to a low caste. Eklavya's family lived away from Hastinapur because they belonged to a low caste. Question number 2. Why did Eklavya carve Drona's statue? Why did Eklavya carve Drona's statue? And the answer is Eklavya carved Drona's statue because Drona refused to teach him archery. Eklavya carved Drona's statue because Drona refused to teach him archery. Hope you done the question. Question number 3. Why did Drona ask for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina? Why did Drona asked for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina? And the answer is Drona asked for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina because of his great love for Arjuna. Drona asked for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina because of his great love for Arjuna. So dear student, here we have done the question answer of this lesson. Dear student, now I will discuss the exercise A8, which is given on page number 60. A8, a few words from the text have been given in the box. So कुछ वर्ड जो हैं टेक्स्ट से लिए गए हैं, स्टोरी से लिए गए हैं. Choose an appropriate word from the aid box which can be used to replace the bold words in the sentence given below. और यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड लिखे गए हैं बोल्ड वर्ड्स, इनको हमें जो एड बॉक्स के वर्ड है उनसे रिप्लेस करना है. राइट द चूजन वर्ड इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइड, और जो यहाँ पर स्पेस दिया गया है यहाँ पर हम जो है राइट वर्ड लिखेंगे. नंबर 1, द ओल्ड मैन वॉज looking fiercely at his son when the guests came in. The old man was looking fiercely at his son when the guests came in. So what is the meaning of this? Glaring. So we will write here glaring. Take the right answer. Glaring. G-L-A-R-I-N-G. Glaring. And the second one is, in olden time, king used to travel in two wheeled vehicles drawn by horses. In olden time, king used to travel in the two wheeled vehicle drawn by the horses is chariots. C-H-A-R-I-O-T-S. chariots. So पुराने समय में जो हॉर्सों के द्वारा खींचा जाता था व्हीकल, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? चैरियट्स. रथ. नंबर 3, Shikhar was avoided by his friends due to his bad habits. Shikhar was avoided by his friend due to his bad habits. So avoided by means shunned. So we will write shunned here as U-N-N-E-D, shunned. Shikhar was avoided by his friend due to his bad habits. The answer is shunned. The next one is, everyone dislikes the village head for his unfavorable attitude towards a few village families. Everyone disliked the village head for his unfavorable attitude toward a few village families. So the meaning of unfavorable attitude means discrimination. So we will write here discrimination. discrimination. discrimination means किसी से भेदभाव करना. And the last one is, Sheena went to the principal and accepted her mistake with an ability to disregard fear. Sheena went to principal and accepted her mistake with an ability to disregard. The answer is, the meaning of this word is courage. Right answer is courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E, courage. So dear student, here we have done the exercise A8. Now I will discuss the next exercise A9. Drona was speechless. In the word speechless, less is a suffixes which has been added to the word speech to make a new word. So ड्रोना वॉज स्पीचलेस. जो स्पीचलेस वर्ड में क्या है, जो लेस है वो क्या है, सफिक्सेस है. इसे की ऐड किया गया स्पीच के अंदर, तो स्पीच के अंदर उसे ऐड किया गया एल-ई-डबल्स लगा के, तो इसका क्या हुआ, जो मतलब है, जो मीनिंग है वो नया बन गया. तो व्हाट इज सफिक्सेस? सफिक्सेस इज अ लेटर और अ ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स एडेड टू द एंड ऑफ अ वर्ड टू मेक अनदर वर्ड. तो सफिक्सेस वो लेटर्स होते हैं या ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स होते हैं जो कि वर्ड्स के लास्ट में लगते हैं और क्या करते हैं, एक नया वर्ड बना देते हैं. जैसे कि स्पीचलेस में लेस को लगाया गया, तो सॉरी, स्पीच में लेस को ऐड किया गया तो क्या बन गया, स्पीचलेस. सो देयर इज वन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. फाइंड आउट एट लीस्ट 5 वर्ड फ्रॉम द चैप्टर एंडिंग विथ सफिक्सेस. तो आपको क्या करना है, चैप्टर में से एटलीस्ट 5 वर्ड ऐसे ढूंढने हैं जिसमें कि सफिक्सेस लगे हुए हों, ठीक है, जिससे नया वर्ड बन रहा हो. जैसे कि बट डू नॉट राइट वर्ड्स एंडिंग इन ईडी एंड आईएनजी. बट आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि जिस वर्ड के लास्ट में ईडी और आईएनजी लगा होगा उन वर्ड्स को आपको नहीं लिखना है, क्योंकि वो क्या है, सफिक्सेस नहीं है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव रेड द वर्ड फेयरनेस, तो NE-SS, फेयर के साथ NE-SS लग गया तो क्या होगा था, फेयरनेस. तो ऐसे आपको वर्ड ढूंढने हैं लेस और नेस से रिलेटेड 5 वर्ड. दिस इज योर एक्टिविटी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, here we have done exercise A8 or A9. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.